This 2020 Newmar Super Star 3746 is a Super C RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a Chateau, Largo, Windwood interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features rear bedroom. This 2020 Newmar Super Star 3746 is built on a Freightliner M-2 106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.